Hey guys, so today we're going to talk about how temperature and dew point are represented on station models. So if you go on your reference table, page 13, you'll see that temperature is represented by a number in the top left corner of the station model. The placement of all these numbers matter. If you accidentally put the temperature on a station model on this side, it would be wrong, even if you have the same number. So temperature, visibility, dew point, everything that's on the station model has to be in the exact same spots. Normally, you'll see station models like this, and based on the placement or where you're putting these numbers, you'll know what they mean. If I see 28 on the top left corner, I know that's temperature. You'll also find dew point in the bottom left corner. So if you see a number in the bottom left corner of the station model, you know that's dew point. Now remember, when air temperature is close to dew point, two things happen. We have high relative humidity and also high chance of clouds and precipitation. And think about it. Dew point is the air temperature at which the air has 100% water vapor. If your air temperature reaches the dew point temperature, your air now has 100% water vapor. And if something has 100% water vapor, then it also has high relative humidity. Relative humidity is how close the air is to having 100% water vapor. And if your air has 100% water vapor, there's a high chance of clouds and precipitation because the air can't hold any more water vapor. And remember, precipitation isn't just rain. It's anything that's coming out of clouds. This can be snow, hail, etc. And you'll find the temperature and dew point in the temperature in the top left and the dew point in the bottom left. And if they're close together, just like this, then you know there's a high relative humidity and high chance of rain and precipitation. So go ahead and pause this video. Try question number 4. Which weather station model shows the highest relative humidity? The correct answer is B. The reason it's B is because the temperature in the top left and the dew point in the bottom left are the same. So that means there's high relative humidity as well as high chance of rain and clouds. Pause this video, try number 5. Base your answers to the following questions on the weather station model shown below. Which statement correctly describes the relative humidity at this station? The correct answer is B. The relative humidity is 100% because the air temperature and dew point are both 48 degrees Fahrenheit. When they're close to each other or equal, you have high relative humidity and high chance of clouds and precipitation. If they're completely equal, then the relative humidity is 100%. Pause this video and try number 6. Base your answers to the following questions on the information on the 4 station models shown below. The weather data were collected at Niagara Falls, Syracuse, Utica, and New York City at the same time. Explain how the weather conditions shown on the station models suggest that Utica had the greatest chance of precipitation. The correct answer is the air temperature and dew point temperature numbers for Utica are very close, closer than any other place here, right? And the closer the numbers are for air temperature and dew point, the higher there is the chance of precipitation there is. So in the next video, we'll talk about wind and precipitation and how they're represented in station models.